Hey guys, in this video it kind of jumps around a little bit. I took a lot of video, but I got a new phone and it recorded in 8K, and I can't download those on the movie director thing. It says in proper format, so it's just going to jump around a little bit. So have fun watching. Hey guys, we're going to start cleaning this transmission up. Get some of the gunk scraped off of it. Already started up here a little bit. Looks like it's painted blue almost. So we'll get that thing cleaned up some so we can paint it up. Alright guys, we got the yoke off the end. This is a fixed yoke, so got to take all these bolts off and go in here, and there's an O-ring on this shaft we got to cut off. And then we can put it back together and use a regular yoke on it. So we'll take this off and I'll bring it back. Alright, we got all the bolts out. Go ahead and pull that off, Landon. So right here, it's got that O-ring right there. We got to cut that if I don't cut myself here. Yeah. Alright guys, we got this thing pretty cleaned up. Getting close here. This thing's pretty pitted up from being on that dump truck hauling salt. So we're just going to shoot it with some of our aluminum spray paint. See how she looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, I'll finish this up. Use both hands. They'll look good enough. They'll look shiny. We're not building a show car, remember. And guys, got it all painted up. What are you doing, Vinny? It's alright, it'll be underneath the car. I'll know it's painted. I like that blue anodized. I don't know why. Couple runs right there. Have to wet sand those out. Not. Alright. That's about it for that. Still got to get a pan for it. It's a nasty old crusty pan. Go pick a different yoke up. Other than that. Alright. We got some parts for the motor. We got to deal with that gear drive yet. I don't like how that is. So we'll get back on that. Alright guys, we got the motor and tranny set in there. Got to make up a cross member for the back. We just used the stock motor mounts on the frame and then solids on the motor. But got it on there, looks pretty good. Setting about 5 degrees. Other than that, looks alright. We'll raise it up here and see what we need to do to make a cross member. Alright guys, we got a cross member made up. This part right here was the rear dry shaft loop for the frame stiffening kit for the 55. We didn't use it because it didn't go down far enough. So it worked out perfect here. Put a little spacer in there, got that up. We got to get a new tail housing up there. Just molded on, took it over there, welded it up. Same over there. We got the pan on the tranny. We're sitting here looking at this. Get out of here, stupid fly. This here don't quite line up. So I gotta pull the tranny back out and put a 168 flywheel in it. Other than that, we'll get some more stuff, throw it on the motor, see what she looks like. Alright guys, got some more stuff done. Got the intake, spacer on, carb, bolted up. Still gotta get these hoses put on. Got the power steering put on, fan blade. This is just old race car parts. Figure might as well use them up instead of just leave them lay around. See how she runs. I don't know how good she'll stay cool with that undersized pulley. But as long as I don't have no restrictions, it should flow about the same as one with restrictions. Other than that, I think I'm pretty much done. I'm going to call it in for this video. Like my wood stick, holding that up so we can get something mounted over there. Alright, I'm going to flip it around. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it for this one. Got that done. Haven't put a video up in a while. I lost a lot of video due to this new phone. Didn't even know there's such thing as 8K, but it was recorded in it. So, peace! There's Vinny in the pool. Penny going nuts over here because she can't get in. She don't like it. All right, Vinny, you gonna get out? Come on. Wanna get out? Come on. Not yet.